We spent many thousands of dollars on shingles to do this whole roof. We haven't actually ever seen these shingles in person, and we're a little nervous because from what we can see, it looks like a circus clown. One of my neighbors came over and helped me out last night. We were able to take the 2.5 pallets of shingles and get them dispersed on the roof. We are getting dangerously close to starting the shingles. Oh God, that's heavy. Oh, I need the blower. That's 28 total. I'm gonna do 29 feet. And that means we need to actually slide that roll this way, which sucks. Oops, not quite. Just pull it towards the house, not up the ridge. There we go. There we go, that's fine. There we go. Try to get that under here where it belongs. Go, that's getting close. All right, now let me pull it back over here. Yeah, we can't really start with this here because this is all bunchy. I gotta cut it, and it's too long. It's way too long. So I'm just gonna try to lock this in. Oops, hold on. It's starting to walk on us already. The main thing I'm trying to do is just keep it pushing forward so we don't have any major creases in here. Shit, where'd I left my razor blade all the way over there. Yeah, well, I just realized also, look at this. Well, they might be long. Actually, it might just barely be long enough to work. Yeah, this should work. I hope. Ow! What? Apparently I used the wrong side of the plastic. This is not working the way it's supposed to. We forgot to put a piece down here. Yeah, this is not ideal, but don't really have any choice. I'm gonna have to pull it up and squeeze it in. Ah! Okay. This edge got stuck. Oh, come on. Okay. Actually, bring me the torch, please. The manufacturer says you shouldn't have to do this, but then in some of their instructions they say to do this. The issue is that around the masonry, it just doesn't stick well enough. So if you torch it, get it super hot, you're just really softening that tar so it melts onto the wall and then creates a permanent bond. My dad's made a comment before that he can tell which tools are his versus mine. He says mine aren't quite as clean. I don't know what he's talking about.
Hey, you want me to hold it down here?
Yeah. Maybe just a little bit down from there. The reason why it looks like we're using used material is there's supposed to be a storm a while ago, so we ended up drying in the entire roof. We covered everything, stapled it all off, and then the storm didn't really come. So then we spent the better part of a day pulling out every staple. Oh, that's interesting. They're different sizes. Good.
They overlap, but they're different.
Yeah, they're different sizes. Your corner's a shit show?
That corner over there is a shit show. Done yet?
I mean, I'm almost done if there's beer ready. I've been done for hours. I just decided I'd lay down here. It sounded fun to just lay down here. Yeah, not. Okay, so moment of truth here. And I'm seeing blue and red. Midnight plum, it's blue and red.
Well, yeah, because blue and red make plum.
Yeah, but, okay, so there's the shingle. This is definitely one of those 10 or 20 foot shingles. Like 10 or 20 feet away, yeah, it looks cool. Up close, she's scary. But no, I think we'll be happy with our decision. The reason why I went with this, it has what they call a secure nail strip. So this is a much stronger strip here that goes all the way through, and it's double thick here. So when you nail them on and you line it up, it just gives you a really good secure connection for that nail. So they're also a little bit thicker, higher quality. We'll come out at some point and lay out the chalk lines. We should have probably done the chalk line before laying the shingles, but it was late. Anyway, that's probably enough for tonight. We'll be back another day to start laying the shingles, I think.